How to connect Google Calendar with Claude. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for Claude AI and open the Claude AI website. Once open, make sure that you are signed in to your Claude AI account and now tap on the Customize option from the left side toolbar. Here, tap on the Connect Your Apps option you see there and then go ahead and look for Google Calendar, or you can also simply tap on the search bar you see there and search for Google Calendar and then tap on the plus icon right beside the Google Calendar option. You will then be required to sign yourself in with your Google Calendar account, so go ahead and sign yourself in and then tap on the Continue button you see there and wait for it to be redirected. Once redirected, as you can see, you have been successfully connected to Google Calendar. So this was about how you can connect Google Calendar with Claude. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.